All right, this is my 2018 Tacoma. Today I'm going to be installing these fog lights here by Morimoto. They're LED projector fog lights. In my last video I did HIDs for my lows and the projectors and the headlights, and now I got to get rid of these ugly yellow fog lights. So we're going to be changing those guys to these. So should be pretty simple install, basically a plug and play situation. We just gotta, since these are pulse sensitive, we're just gonna figure out which goes to which, and then they actually come with the connector for the stock connector. But like I said, first we gotta figure out which side goes to which. So I'm gonna pull this grill out. It's pretty simple. You got the two 10s and then the clip on each side, and then basically the grill just comes straight out towards you, and then from there we should be able to access these pretty easily. And I'm not sure what bolts are in there right now, but there should be 4, judging by what we have on this new bracket here. So yeah, let's get this stuff yanked out and go from there. These come up off those little tabs that you screw into. And then also don't forget, if you have a sensor up front like I do, then you're going to want to undo the harness here, and it's right there and right there, just 2 little clips, and then you can undo it. Now that's up there. And then we're going to take these guys out. You could probably try and reach down through there, but these are just really easy to take out. So you just got the one clip down here, and there's another clip that is right in here, but you kind of reach it from the inside here. Kind of just give it a little wiggle and it'll come on out. And you basically have the same thing on the other side. We have, a ton of room to work with, and that right there is actually the fog light. So I'm gonna work on getting that guy out. All right, so got this one out here, passenger side. It's pretty crazy. I wasn't sure. I'd never taken one of these out before, so wasn't really sure what to expect. But you can see these 4 little spots here, and there's nothing over on here, but these 3. There's only one Phillips screw that holds this thing in. So Phillips screw on the upper corner here, and the 2 tabs, you can see they just go in between this little bracket here and on this side, and they just wedge in there and then screw onto this, and that's all that's holding it in. So I actually took the shroud off. If you want to take the shroud off, you can. You can see here all the tabs that are around it. So there's 6 tabs that hold it in, and basically it's just in there like so. And you'll kind of stick your arm through here, and you can just go around and lift up on these tabs. You can see how the ear is, but if you see, if you lift up on them, then it becomes flush. Yeah, just go around and lift up on them, and then it does kind of come out on an angle, but yeah, you just go around and lift up on them, that pops out. I took this out because I didn't know what I was doing, so that's how you get those out if you're curious. But other than that, I got this guy out and the wiring unplugged, so we're gonna figure out which side goes to which. Yours might be different. I'll tell you what mine is, and then we'll pop this guy back in here and pop the shroud on and see what it looks like. All right, so we got this side all the way back together. For the wires on this side, I haven't done my driver's side yet. I'm assuming they would be the same, but on this one, it was red went to green, and then black went to the white and black. But as you can see, it's definitely a nice, I don't know, like kind of like a light blue. And then, compare that to that. I mean, those right there match the DLR is pretty good. I would say pretty spot on. And then you go to this side and it's just terrible. Definitely, I believe that's the way it should have came from the factory right there. Versus this is just terrible. So here's the last one we're throwing in. This is the clip you're gonna have to install. These wires just come with the ends on them, but not installed in the clip, just in case you need to flip them whichever which way, if that even makes sense. So right here you can see, showing you on this side, we got the same thing, green, white and black. Red goes to green, white and black goes to black. So on here I've done it as such. So we'll clip this guy in, and then once you clip it in, we can kind of feed it up through here. And then, like I said, these ears on this side will wedge in those little brackets there, the one screw. I don't know if you wanted to put another screw in it, you probably could, but it seems to be pretty solid. So we're gonna slap this guy in. Before I throw those in, there's just the one Phillips right here that will adjust the height. And these are a pretty sharp line in comparison to the halogens that were on there. So just real quick, I'm gonna flip them on, adjust them, and then finish knocking this out. But before I throw those shrouds in, I'll need the access to this guy. So let's get it done. All right, here we are. These are just the DRLs here, no headlights. And then that's the Morimoto LED fog lights. Definitely huge upgrade. I'm a big fan. They look awesome, you know, from the inside here and from the outside. They match the DRLs almost perfect. You can step outside here and take a look at them, see what you think. It's a little windy, I apologize, but and you can see, well, I guess you can't really see it too well, but I mean, they're awesome. The quality on these is just awesome. Super easy install, really fast, but yeah, I mean, I wish you guys could see what I'm seeing right now, because they're definitely legit. But yeah, man, hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.